Out of nowhere came a hero. So how do we create an effect on our photos like this? Well, in Excel desktop, we insert an image like this. We change the size as required. We right click. And then we go format picture, and then we select picture transparency. I put it up to around, I think it's 80, something like that, but you can test it yourself. Then we leave as is, and then we save the file and upload to your OneDrive or SharePoint. So let's go to one I've already created. So here we can see the effect applied to the photo. In Excel Online, the macro language of scripts will run a script that creates these squares, these cells colored in a random way. So let's have a look at the script. So here's the script. The link to the script is available at the end of this video. I've created a button here that is connected to that script, and you run the script by clicking the button. So let's have a look at how that works. So here's the script. It starts with declaring a worksheet object called GreatArt. This refers to the sheet with that name. It also creates a range object from A1 to M30. So this is where the colored cells are going to appear in that grid. And what the script does is loop through each row and column, applying a color to each cell, and the color is a randomly selected color. We can see here we're actually using a function called getRandomInt, which is as it's described, get a random integer between 0 and 256, and this is used to generate a code called a hex color code, and it's that color code that's used with the setColor function here. So if we have a look, we're using a couple of functions to generate the random colors. We've got here a 2 hex, but we need to convert our number to the hex form, and we're using the getRandomInteger function here, which is using the math functions in random. So let's run the function, the script, and let's see how it works. So what it's doing here is creating randomly colored cells, one after each other in that selected grid. So that's completed. So next step is to apply the photo on top of this colored grid. So I go and obtain the photo from the sheet. So I have it here. I select it, like so, copy, go back to the sheet with the grid, go up to A1, and then I paste it in. And then what I can do is resize the image if we get rid of the script so that it fits over the cells. Let's have a look. And it's finished. So let's have a look at some other examples I've created.
Вони захопити хотіли нас зразу, і ми зачаїли на орків образу. З бандитів російських робить примар. Байрактар.